Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which SIM types you have, physical nano or eSIM, because the Edge 40 handles combinations differently. Insert the physical SIM in the tray carefully and keep your second carrier's eSIM QR or activation ready. This reduces downtime. Once done, power the phone and unlock it. Make sure Wi-Fi is active so the eSIM can download settings if needed. This initial setup speeds the process and prevents signal conflicts before you move into. You now configure how the phone uses both lines. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then SIM cards. Here you'll see both numbers. Assign which SIM handles mobile data, which is primary for calls, and which for SMS. This avoids accidental charges. Label each SIM for clarity and enable automatic data switching if you travel or lose signal. Also, make sure to set per app preferences when available so apps use the correct line for verification and backups. You finish by testing both lines. Place a call, send a text, and use mobile data on each SIM to confirm functionality. If one SIM shows no service, restart the phone first, then power down and reseat the SIM tray. Loose contact is common. Once done, if the eSIM won't activate, rescan the carrier's QR code or request a new activation code. Carriers sometimes need to refresh provisioning. This final check ensures reliable dual SIM operation and gives one key fix if problems arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.